and my cheek.
Oh my goodness. Oh. What do you think of her?
I think I love her.
You do?
All day.
All day?
Mhm.
Is she just such a cutie?
Mhm. Tickle, tickly.
Be careful. Do very slowly. That's
Like this?
nice. Mhm.
Oh.
Talk to her.
I love you.
Her name is Farah.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Why? That's a silly name.
That's a silly name?
Yeah.
That's what I told her mom. I call her Farrah Fawcett.
Oh. I think her doesn't like me.
Yeah, she's just a wiggle worm. Babies are wiggle worms. Do you want me to take her now?
So, I want to keep her.
You want to keep her?
Yeah.
Forever?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, until she starts getting fussy.
Is her flossy?
Fussy?
Yeah.
No, she's just wiggly, not fussy. She's not crying. She's still happy. Aww. So cute.